Let's introduce the main parameters and application scenarios of 800G QSFP-DD DAC. The 800G DAC is a high-speed cable comprised of passive copper cables with 800G QSFP-DD connectors. It is a cost-effective alternative solution for 800G fiber products, which is very suitable for short-distance transmission. For the cable, the minimum bending radius is 69 millimeters, and the jacket is made of PVC material, which is sturdy and durable. The 800G QSFP-DD DAC cables to enable high speed and reduced power requirements for data centers at a cost-effective price. Using 800G QSFP-DD DAC, you can directly connect two 800G switches, plug and play, reduce wiring costs, flexibly apply to different deployments, and help build an affordable wiring system.